Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable direct share on Telegram, so you can quickly share content with your favorite contacts without any extra steps. Direct share is a useful feature that makes sharing faster and more convenient. Once it's turned on, Telegram can suggest chats directly from your device's share menu, saving you time when sending links, photos, or messages. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to your Telegram settings where you can customize different features of the app. Now, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats behave and display. Once you're inside Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Other Settings. This is where Telegram places additional options that are not commonly used, but still very useful. Here, you'll see the option for direct share. Simply toggle it on. Once enabled, your device will be able to show Telegram contacts directly in the share panel of other apps. And that's it. You've successfully enabled direct share on Telegram. Now, whenever you share something from another app, you'll notice your Telegram contacts appear as quick shortcuts, making your experience smoother and faster. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more Telegram tips to get the most out of the app.